In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is loop element in Salesforce Flow Builder and how does it work. Start by logging into your Salesforce account, then head to Setup. From the gear icon, open the Advanced Setup area so you can access administrative tools. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and open the Flows page, then click New Flow. Choose Triggered Automations and select Record Triggered Flow. This type of flow runs automatically when records are created, updated, or deleted. Set the object to Contact. The contact object represents individual people linked to accounts, so it's a great example for demonstrating a loop across multiple records. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first element and choose Get Records. Get Records lets your flow query Salesforce data and store the results for later steps. Give it a clear label. The API name will fill in automatically. Choose Contact as the object to query. Then for the data to return, select All Records. This tells the flow to pull every contact that meets your criteria. If you don't add filters, it will pull all contacts, so be mindful of limits and test in a sandbox. Click the plus icon again to add another element and select Loop. The loop element iterates through a collection of records, one item at a time, so you can evaluate or modify each record without writing code. Enter a descriptive label. The API name will auto-populate. For the collection variable, pick the contacts returned by your Get Records element. Choose to iterate from first item to last item. This ensures a predictable order, which is useful if you depend on sequence or plan to build a list for later updates. After setting up the loop, click the plus icon on the After Last path. This path runs once after the loop finishes, and it's the best place to perform bulk actions. Select Update Records. This feature writes your changes back to Salesforce, and placing it after last helps avoid updating inside the loop, which is more efficient and reduces the chance of hitting limits. Give the update a clear label. The API name will fill in. Set the field values for the contact records you processed. For example, map account ID to the desired value or reference from your loop variable, depending on your use case. Click Save to store your element changes. Provide a concise flow label so it's easy to find later. The flow's API name will be autofilled. Click Save again to commit the flow configuration. That's how the loop element in Salesforce Flow Builder works. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.